Make you feel better about the environment?
I think an asteroid-type development coming in like the World Wide Web all over again. And that's a secular thing. That's something you can't necessarily predict. Maybe a clean tech technology, a true secular driver, something to hang our hats on. But absent that, I don't know that the engines are paid into that 10% unemployment.
Rick, the ready for the week overall, what do you think? Well, I'll tell you what, if I was an investor, I think I agree. We just had Durka, of course, who was on the half-time year, and he said, I'd buy the 7-year, so the 5-year. There's going to be a lot of these curve games going on. Even some of the big central banks are indeed going to shorten the duration. They're probably going to be more active in things under 10-year. So I think, I wouldn't be worrying about auctions, but I'd pay closer and closer attention on the same breath. Closer to the trading strategies are becoming more sophisticated as we get more and more paper coming to market here. I think so, and I think that's right. And I think it's very foolish for any government, whether it's yes or whatnot, to think that big trading partners and other banks investing in their paper are just going to carte blanche, buy the same patterns as they had in the past. The world's more complicated, and we've learned that there's issues out there that can come to haunt you.
All right. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate it. See you throughout the day, I know.
All right, today the FDIC has announced its deposit insurance fund forward.
Hey, Napoleon.
And the number of banks on the agency's problem list has grown. Hampton Pearson is in Washington as well. What FDIC Chair Sheila Bair is saying about the state of the banking system right now. Hampton?
Well, Bill, first, some other highlights from the second quarter banking profile from the FDIC. Basically, by the end of June, its list of problem banks had reached a 15-year high. Some 416 institutions in trouble with combined assets of just under $300 billion. FDIC banks had $3.7 billion in aggregate net loss. 2 out of 3 institutions lower quarterly earnings than a year ago. 28.3% were unprofitable. Net charge-offs set a quarterly record, $48.9 billion versus $26.4 billion a year ago. And the non-parent loan rate now at a record level, $41.4 billion, up 14%. Sheila Bair saying jobs growth, balance sheet recovery will trail the rest of the economy.
One of the themes of today's quarterly profile is that banking industry performance is, as always, a lagging indicator. The banking industry, too, can look forward to better times ahead. But for now, the difficult and necessary process of recognizing loan losses and cleaning up balance sheets continues to be reflected in the industry's bottom line.
As far as the health of the FDIC's deposit insurance fund, it decreased by $2.6 billion in the second quarter. The reserve ratio declined 5 basis points. The reserve now